There are two main types of blades in saws. They are used according to the direction in which the wood fibers are cut. Cuts along the wood grain are called rip cuts. Cuts across the wood grain are called cross cuts. Dual-edged saws have both rip and cross-cutting edges. First, mark the material where you want to cut. Use tools like a carpenter's square to draw a straight line. Be sure to also mark the sides. They will serve as guides when cutting. Secure the material firmly to a table with a clamp. If you hold the material with your hand, it may move, preventing a straight cut. By securing the material, you can use both hands, ensuring a stable operation. Hold the saw with your dominant hand at the handle's end and the other hand lightly holding the head. Align your line of sight so it matches the saw blade and the marking. Start the cut by slowly pushing the saw along the line to create a groove. Once the groove is established, move the saw back and forth, keeping the blade aligned with the line. Maintain the blade's angle at about 35 degrees. Japanese saws apply force when pulling to make a cut. Release the force when pushing and apply force when pulling. Use the entire length of the blade to pull the saw slowly. Always keep your eyes on the blade and the marked line. To finish the cut cleanly, hold the part you're cutting off, position the blade upright, and cut slowly.